Hello, I'm James Williams. I'm the owner of J&L Contracting and Never Satisfied Builds. We're building a truck for the Big Rig Build-Off 2026. I think everybody's going to be pleasantly surprised with what we created. We are behind. It's Monday, the week of Louisville. We are about to cross the finish line, hopefully be loading yet this afternoon. I will say the favorite part of this whole process has been my team and how well they have excelled and came together as a team. It's been a real bonding experience for everybody involved. They have just been very driven and put in amazing amount of hours, and none of them have wanted to be here because they're missing family time and all that, but they all want to be here because they see what we're building, they know what we're building, they know why we're building it. We're looking at the future. We have big things coming to Never Satisfied Builds in 2026, and believe it or not, they've only really had one little bit of drama during this whole thing, and that was because they were up for about 30 hours straight. It's been a very good experience. I hope you guys are all happy with what we create. Thank you.
Randy Minkle, Never Satisfied Builds. We've been working on the truck here for the last five and a half months. We're fixing to reveal 11,000 grueling hours of our heart and soul into this truck. I got to give a special shout out to my shop guys. The dedication that they've shown throughout this whole build has been awesome. I'd like to say thanks to the vendors, 12 gauge, for going above and beyond anything we needed. 4 States for running parts and making sure we had everything we needed. Lifetime nut covers, Dirk's Customs, custom trucks. I mean, the list is on and on. I can't name everybody right now, but I'd like to say thank you for sure. Give a shout out to our community, the guys that brought food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It was amazing. I just hope you guys enjoy the build.